This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to put an American Express gift card on your iPhone. Whether you're new to using digital wallets or just looking to make the most of your gift card, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, ensure that your American Express gift card is activated and registered on the American Express website. This step is crucial because it involves adding a billing address, which is a requirement for using the card online or through real payment systems like Apple Pay. If you haven't done this yet, take a moment to complete it, as it will save you time and trouble later on. Now that your card is ready, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This app acts as a digital repository for your cards, tickets, and more, making transactions smoother and more convenient. Once you're in the app, look towards the top right corner and you'll see a plus button. Go ahead and tap that. After tapping the plus button, you'll be prompted to select the type of card you want to add. Choose debit or credit card. While your American Express gift card might not be a traditional credit card, it functions similarly in this context. You'll then need to enter your gift card details manually. This includes the card number, expiration date, and security code, so have your card handy. Once you've input all the necessary information, the app will guide you through any additional steps required to verify your card. This process might vary depending on your card's specific details, so follow any on-screen instructions you receive carefully. It's important to note that not all prepaid gift cards are supported by Apple Pay. If your card is declined during this process, it might not be eligible for use with Apple Pay. Additionally, ensure that your card has enough balance to cover your intended purchases. This will help avoid any potential disappointments at checkout, and there you have it. You've successfully added an American Express gift card to your iPhone. With your gift card now linked to your digital wallet, you can enjoy the convenience of making purchases with just a tap of your phone. Happy shopping, and enjoy the ease of using your American Express gift card through Apple Pay.